Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Fashion World. How are you friends? I hope all of you fine and happy. I have many prayers for you. May Allah give you happiness and more success. My dear friends, today my video topic about most stylish and beautiful graceful collection of stiletto high heels pumps for women. Those type of collection especially for women who loves to wear such type of high heels collection. You can get some beautiful and latest ideas from my video, so be sure to watch my video till the end and get more ideas about new trending fashion. So guys, if you like such collection, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Fashion World, like and share my video. So if you want to buy these latest collection of beautiful high heels sandal, then I will tell you the best website. From here you can buy these beautiful collection of latest high heels. So friends, before telling you the best website, please subscribe my YouTube channel for more latest ideas about fashion. So now I will tell you the best website. From here you can buy these latest collection of high heels online. So you can buy these website: Amazon.com, AliExpress.com and eBay.com. I always try to be beautiful videos and content you, so don't forget get to like my video and give me your valuable feedback and what else you want to see about fashion. After watching my video, if you like my video, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share my video with friends and other social media accounts. And don't forget to press the bell icon. So now goodbye dear friends, till the next video. See you soon with new and latest collection of high heels sandals collection of or 2023 and 2024.